Hello, I am Vishwa and welcome to Flipkart. Today we will be checking out the 40-inch Mitashi MIDE040V03 FS 4K LED TV for you. So let's have a look at its features one by one. The Mitashi Ultra HD 4K Smart TV is a work of fine technology. This TV is employed with an incredibly slim bezel design. This well-crafted bezel gives you virtually a frameless picture. The space between the screen and the bezel is kept at a minimum so that they blend perfectly together. The narrow bezel design and the 4K resolution together give you the most realistic and authentic viewing experience. This 4K Smart TV functions on the extremely user-friendly operating system, Android OS 4.4, which means you can seamlessly browse the web, connect to your friends on social media, download and play games from the Play Store, and do so much more. For the first time ever in this segment, Mitashi provides you a free Air Mouse with this smart TV. The Air Mouse lets you control your TV with bare minimum effort. It performs the function of a remote, a mouse, and also a keyboard. The Air Mouse has a handy and somatic design which lets you continuously use the TV for longer periods without any strain on your hand muscles. With so many features, Mitashi has also made sure that you don't experience any delays. This smart TV is fueled by a dual-core processor that you can run your favorite content all day, every day without any lag. This TV also gives you an inbuilt option to enjoy all of your mobile's content on the big screen. You can easily cast your smartphone on the TV and switch from a small screen to a stunning big screen in almost no time. Not just that, you can also use your smartphone as a remote control using the Agile Remote application over Wi-Fi. This smart TV also gives you plenty of connectivity options. It has two USB, two HDMI, a Wi-Fi and an Ethernet port. So take full advantage of this robust machine and enjoy all your content on a vivid screen. To call it your little power saver won't be wrong, because this Mitashi Smart TV is designed to be highly efficient. It runs on very low power consumption of 75 watts, with standby consumption being less than 0.5 watts. Also, to ensure you from any future contingencies, Mitashi provides you 3 years comprehensive warranty, which further simplifies your buying and maintenance experience. So viewers, my final thoughts on 40-inch Mitashi MIDE040V03 FS 4K LED TV are quite positive. The 4K picture quality, slim bezel design, and Android support makes this TV a tough competitor for all other brands. The feature that makes this TV stand out in this segment are free Air Mouse, low power consumption, and 3 years comprehensive warranty. So are you still thinking? Come join the Flipkart family. Sit back and relax. We assure quick doorstep delivery, hassle-free installation, a detailed demo for all the products, and assured brand warranty. Have a perfect buy.